What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Aquí andamos de regreso, guys. Nos habíamos perdido por un tiempo. ¿Por qué? Pues we've been working on and off. There's been things going on. We've been growing, gracias a Dios. TikTok, Facebook, Instagram. We've been putting a lot of work, guys. So if you guys missed out or quieren saber un poquito de lo que ha pasado, please go to our social media. On TikTok, Jay's Media. Instagram 956 Car Wars, guys, and obviously our YouTube, which is Jay's Media. So yes, guys, we are finally back. Andamos de regreso. Y this video is gonna be about, we're gonna go detail, since we're gonna be vendors, guys, at a car show, which is this coming up Saturday. Some of our clients are already calling us to get the cars ready. So basically right now we're gonna go detail, if not mistaken, it's a Skyline 33, guys. It's a pretty nice car, it's in great conditions. We're gonna see what the client wants. Vamos a ver qué le hacemos, guys, para que quede bien shiny, ready for the car show. Y pues yes, guys, once again, we are back. Aquí andamos, venimos con todo. So I'm gonna start getting the things ready, guys, and take off to our... Check it out, guys, the OBS is coming along as well. We polished the wheels, I believe this past weekend, guys. So por eso se miran bien glossy. So como les dije, guys, let me just get the polishers. Oh, we also had a bad tire going on the OBS, guys. We got it fixed. I have my polishers right here, guys. So let me see what I'm gonna take and grab the polishers. Sí, guys, ya vamos aquí con el client. Ya subimos toda la truck. Voy a levantar a mi cousin Marco. From there, we're gonna take off. And like I said, we'll see what we're gonna do. For sure, he wanted a little polish, guys. You know, a little polish wax, nomás para darle un gloss al car. Other than that, we'll see what's up. If not mistaken, I think he said it was a 1996 Skyline R33, guys. It's a nice car. We've detailed it before. But this time, we're gonna be doing a little bit of something else on the car, pues, para que se mire un poquito más mejor, guys. So, ya voy por mi cousin. Y vamos con el client. Okay, guys, we already pulled up to the client's house. Like I said, it's a Skyline 33. We're gonna be doing a little polish, cleaning off the engine, properly dress the plastic, properly clean the chrome, clean the wheels and the paint. I mean, it does need a correction, but as right now, we're just gonna be doing a little quick polish wax so we can bring up the gloss, guys. Vamos a darle brillo al car. Y pues sí, guys, on the inside, we're also going to be detailing the interior, guys, but it's pretty clean, guys, so nothing too fancy, nothing crazy, just a little vacuum wipe down and refresh the panels. But this is it, guys. This is the R33 I was talking about. We already have everything set up. We're going to wash it, decontaminate it, we're going to do the polish, and then we'll continue with the process, guys. So this is a little bit of the before. Okay, guys, the car is finally ready. We're doing a little inspection before we do the polish. It does kind of need a correction, but as in right now, we're going to be doing just a little polish, guys, like I said. The polish wax. Meanwhile, Marco's doing the wheels already using our quick detail by PNS. So let me begin the polishing process, guys. For this process, guys, we're going to be using 3D Speed, which is polish, protect, which they call it an all-in-one. So we're going to be using this with a blue pad from HDO, guys. This is a blue cutting pad. And we're going to see the results it's going to provide. Like I said, guys, once again, 3D Speed. Give me your feedback. Make a comment. What do you guys think about 3D Speed? And let me begin the process. Check it out, guys. We already did a 50-50 shot. So this is before. And this is after, guys. So it is clearing up, guys. It's giving it a lot of gloss for sure. I don't know if you guys can see it in the video, but like I said, this is before and then this is after, guys. So I'm gonna proceed with the same process, guys. Blue pad with the 3D speed, and there you guys have it. So let me continue with the process. Okay guys, ya llegamos a la casa. It is about 8:39. Unfortunately, I couldn't get any after views, guys, porque ya no había sol. There wasn't any lights, so, and I want to provide like the best views, guys, so you all can check out the work we did. So we're gonna go back to the client's house tomorrow morning. We're gonna have some shoots, a little bit of pictures, and like I said, guys, I'm gonna take the after videos. So this video hasn't finished, guys. Nos miramos mañana en la mañana. We're gonna go take the after video. Así ustedes pueden ver lo que le hicimos. I'll explain a little bit more on what we did. And so yes, guys, 9 o'clock at night. We just clocked out. Day 2, guys. Day 2. We already did a detail in the morning. I had forgotten we had a detail in the morning, pero ya lo acabé. So right now we're gonna go take the final shoots, guys. The final pictures, the final results is the R33, the one we did yesterday. Like I said, we finished a little bit late, ya no había luz. Y pues bueno, guys, we spoke with the client and he said he wasn't gonna do anything today, so we were able to go right now and take the pictures. So para allá vamos, guys. Voy saliendo de la casa, ya comí. Como les dije, tuve un client ahorita en la morning. Ahorita nos vamos a parar a un Stripes porque I'm gonna get something to drink, guys, porque sí está un poco caliente. Lo bueno que ya no está tanto como antes, pero todavía se siente la calor. Pero aquí vamos, guys. I'm gonna make a quick stop at the gas station and get something to drink. We just arrived, guys, as you guys can see. I don't know if you guys can see it. The car's right there. So let me go take some shots, guys. I hope I get the best views. And please drop a comment if you guys like it, give it a feedback, share, subscribe, send it to your friends. And well, guys, let's go check out the final results. Okay guys, como pudieron ver, I mean the car looked clean as fuck. I'm sorry for the language. We brought up the shine. We did it, like I said guys, it was just a polished wax. Nothing too fancy. We weren't looking like to remove hard imperfections. It was just something to get it ready for the car show guys, which we did. The gloss, it's on point. Engine and everything, the interior guys, I didn't record much because it wasn't bad. So I wanted to show you guys the car from the outside so you guys can see it. The client loved it. We did also. So como les digo, no era nada tan acá guys. Ojalá les haya gustado. Ahorita vengo llegando aquí al mall porque I need to buy some daily shoes guys. The ones I had, they're bad guys. So aquí me vengo a comprar otro shoe. Vamos a ver qué encontramos. Pues sí guys, hope you guys liked the video. Like I said, we're back. I promise I won't stop this time guys. I'm gonna put my daily vlogs guys. No todo va a ser de lo mismo, pero pues como les digo, right now we're getting ready for the car show, which is this Saturday. Today is Thursday, so expect another video on the car show guys. We're gonna be there, like I said, vendors, products and everything, so please swing by guys if you see this video, if you have any questions or tips. Y pues sí guys, aquí voy a acabar el video. Estamos en el mall, venimos por unos shoes. Vamos a ver cuáles conseguimos, nomás unos daily, pero pues hay que vernos bien, ¿verdad? So we'll see. Saludos y bendiciones. Please don't forget to like, share, subscribe, send it to your friends, drop a comment, and catch you guys at the next video.